Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and this video is all about setting up an automation which will let you connect your WooCommerce store with Airtable. So suppose that you are running an e-commerce store created on WooCommerce plugin of WordPress, and you have to add products on your store on regular basis. So you want to track the record of your products, and you want to track and save the inventory of your products that you are adding on WooCommerce. So you want to save the record of the products in a spreadsheet that you have in Airtable. So the only way to do this task effectively and swiftly is automation. Let me show you how. So this is how the flow of this automation is going to look like. As in, when you create any product and publish on WooCommerce store, the same product, the details of the same product will be added automatically on a spreadsheet that you have created on Airtable. Okay, and this will help you in saving your time in manually copy pasting the data of your products from WooCommerce, and you can manage your data of your products effectively. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this whole automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. And for this, you can check the link in the description that we have pasted for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, and after setting up your account in Pabbly, you can sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any relevant or suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as add WooCommerce product details in Airtable automatically. Now you can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So the trigger is the happening of any event that is going to trigger this workflow or automation, and action is the response to that trigger. So in our case, the trigger would be adding of a new product in WooCommerce store, and the action to that trigger would be to save the details of the product in Airtable automatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So to set up this trigger, from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application first. So it is WooCommerce in our case, so select WooCommerce from here. Okay, and in the trigger event, you have to select this option. Let me show you, product created. So here you will find product created option. So here you can see we have this new product created option. So it will trigger this workflow when a new product is created. So select it, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys. And with the help of this, you can connect any other external application and fetch the details out of that application to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with the help of this, we are going to connect our store by following these instructions, and then we'll add a new product and fetch the details of the product here. Okay, so you can follow these instructions. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, you have to go to your WordPress dashboard, and from this WooCommerce option, you have to click on settings. Okay, and the settings page will open up, and from here you have to click on let me show you, you have to go to the advanced tab. So click on advanced tab. Okay, and from here in the advanced tab, you will find this webhooks option here. Click on webhooks. Okay, and guys, here you have to add a new webhook by clicking on this add webhook button. Okay, and here you can give a name to your webhook. So I am giving the name as to Airtable. Okay, right, and in this status you have to make it active, and in this topic you have to select the topic as, let me show you. Okay, so you have to choose the topic as product created. Okay, so find product created option here. So here is product created option selected, and in this delivery URL, you have to paste the this webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL from here and paste it here in this delivery URL field like this. Okay, and keep these two fields as it is, and then click on save webhook option. and the webhook is saved here. Okay, and here you can see as I have copied this webhook URL. Okay, now you can see it started showing this response. It has created a webhook ID. Okay, now you have to click here on this recapture webhook response so that you can capture the details of a new product created in your store to here. So click on yes here, and it will start waiting for webhook response again. And then you have to go back to your dashboard of WordPress, and from this WooCommerce option I'm going to click on this products option. Let me show you. This is the products, and from here I'm going to click on add new. Okay, so another page will open up, and here you can add the details of your product like in these fields. Okay, so let me fill all the product details here, and let me create a new product. So here I have added the product. This is the name of the product, drone with HD camera live video. Okay, and here I have put a small description of this product. Okay, and here I have added the image of the product as well. This is the image of the product. Okay, and here is the price I have put of this product. Okay, now I'm going to click on publish here, and I'll publish. You can select the categories as well. So here is a digital product. Okay, now I'm going to click on publish. So you can see it is getting published here. Okay, now the product is published. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the details of this product. So here you can see in Pabbly Connect, in this response received section, we got all the details of the product like this with the help of webhook URL. This is the name of the product. This is the link of the product. Okay, and this is the created time and date of the product. Okay, right, and this is the pricing, and all the details related to this products are here. This is the image link as well. Okay, so these are the things we got in Pabbly Connect. Now we want to save the details of this product in the base or in the table I have in Airtable like this. So here I have created this table. Okay, and here we have these details: product name, sales price, stock quantity, product image, URL, and created field. Okay, and here yeah, so I want to add the details of the product here. For that to happen, you have to connect your Airtable application in this action step. So search for Airtable here. Okay, now in this action event you have to select for create record option. So it will create a new record. Then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection option, and here it will ask for this API token key to make the connection with Airtable. So you'll find this key in the account section of Airtable. So you just can directly click on this account name, or you can reach your dashboard of Airtable, and you can find the account section from this profile icon. You can click on accounts, and that will bring you to the accounts page. And from this account page, when you scroll down, you will find this API key right here. So you can generate a key for yourself, or you can use the same key and paste this key here in this token field like this. Then click on save. Okay, and you will be connected with Airtable like this. Now it is asking for the base ID here. So this is our base, and the name of the base is WooCommerce products. So when you click here, it will show you all the bases that you have created in your Airtable. So my base is WooCommerce. This is the WooCommerce products base. Select it, and you will see that the product the table name will be selected like this automatically, because we have only one table right now in this base. Okay, now it is asking for the product name, the product description, the product slug, the regular price, the sales price, the stock quantity, and all these things. So guys, we have captured all these details here in the first step. Okay, so I'm going to use this data that we have fetched in the first step to map down in the second step. Okay, so to map this data, you just have to come here on this field and click here, and you will find this WooCommerce store step in the drop down, and from here you will find all the data related to your product. So this is the name of the product. I have mapped it, and for the description you can choose the same place, the WooCommerce store. This is the description. Let me show you. This is the description. Map it. Okay, for the product slug you can use the same place. Let me see if we have this field here. Okay, we do not have product slug field, so you can leave this blank also. For the pricing, you can map the price. So you'll find the price when you scroll down here. So from here you can map the sales price. Okay, so here first let me put the regular price. So you'll find the regular price here like this, and for the sales price you can check the same place from the WooCommerce. When you scroll down, you got the sales price as well. This is the sales price, okay. And for the stock quantity, you can check if you have the data of the stock quantity. I don't think we have put the data of the stock quantity. Okay, I think total sales on sale is 1. So here is the quantity, okay. And for the product image URL, you can use the same place, and you will find the product image URL here as well. So this is the image source, map it, okay. This is the image URL, okay. So we have filled all the details, we have mapped all the details. So why we map this data here? Because in real time, whenever after setting up this automation, whenever you create a new product in WooCommerce store, this data is going to change accordingly according to the mapping, and a new data will be added here in your Airtable. Now let me show you how the data is going to be added there. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and this data will be delivered here in your table in WooCommerce, okay. So we have only one row here. Let's check how it is going to happen. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you can see this is the kind of response we have received here. Now let me show you in my Airtable base if we got the data, and you can see a new row added here with the details as this. This is the product name, this is the sales price, this quantity, the image, and the created time field is here, okay. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. Now we are done setting up this automation. After setting up this automation and mapping the data here, you don't have to do anything manually after that. After that, as and when you add any product in your WooCommerce store, the data of that product will be delivered automatically here in your Airtable base. No need to do any manual thing, okay. So now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So you can see, first of all, in the trigger, I connected WooCommerce store. With the help of this Webhook URL, I fetched the data of a product like this. And after that, I connected Airtable in the actions tab and mapped the data that we have received from the first tab accordingly, according to the header columns here we have in our table, okay. And we have seen that as I have clicked on save and send test request, our connection was working properly and a new row got added here, okay. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.